Good day and welcome to this video lecture about algebra. In this video lecture, I will discuss how to convert improper fraction into a mixed number and vice versa. So let's start. Let's discuss first how to convert improper fraction into a mixed number. But let me first define improper fraction and mixed number. An improper fraction is a fraction whose numerator is greater than or equal to its denominator. Example of improper fractions are 11 over 3, 15 over 4, 56 over 20, etc. How about a mixed numbers? Mixed numbers are numbers consist of a whole number and a fraction. Example of mixed numbers are 3 and 1/2, 2 and 3/4, 5 and 2/3, etc. Now let's begin with the conversion of improper fractions into a mixed number. Let's say we have an improper fraction of 10 over 7. So how do you convert it into a mixed number? Here's how you do it mentally. How many times does 7 go into 10? 7 goes into 10 only one time. The denominator is not going to change. Next is to multiply 7 and 1. So 7 times 1 is 7 and 10 minus 7 is 3. So the remainder is 3. Therefore, the 10 over 7 is 1 and 3/7 as a mixed number. Let's try another example. Let's say we have 32 over 7. Now how many times does 7 goes into 32? 7 goes into 32 4 times. Again, the denominator is not going to change. Next is to multiply 7 and 4. So 7 times 4 is 28 and 32 minus 28 is 4. Therefore, the 32 over 7 is 4 and 4/7 as a mixed number. So that's how you can do it mentally. Now for those of you who want to show your work, here's how you can do. Let's use again the 32 over 7. We can break that into 28 over 7 and 4 over 7. The reason why I choose 28 over 7 because 7 goes into 28 evenly. 28 over 7 is 4. And then we have plus 4 over 7 which is 4 and 4/7 as a mixed number. So that's the quick way to show your work in converting improper fraction into a mixed number. Let's try some other examples. Let's say we have 47 over 5. We can write that as 45 over 5 plus 2 over 5. So 45 divided by 5 is 9 plus 2 over 5. So our final answer is 9 and 2/5. Let's try another example. Let's say we have 19 over 7. So you can break it as 14 over 7 plus 5 over 7. So 14 divided by 7 is 2 plus 5 over 7. So we write it as 2 and 5/7 as a mixed number. Let's try one last example. Let's say we have 28 over 6. Now how can you break up 28? What I will do is to choose the highest multiple of 6. Multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, etc. 30 is also a multiple of 6, but it is more than 28. So we use 24 over 6 plus 4 over 6. So 24 divided by 6 is 4 and 4 over 6 will be simplified into 2 times 2 over 2 times 3. So we can cancel 2. So we were left with 4 and 2/3. And that's our final answer. Now you know how to convert an improper fraction into a mixed number. Now let's proceed with converting a mixed number into improper fraction. This is the reverse of what we have recently done about converting improper fraction into a mixed number. Let's have an example. Let's say we have 4 and 2/3. So first rewrite the denominator. Next is to multiply 4 times 3 and then add 2. So we have 4 times 3 plus 2. So we got 4 times 3 is 12 plus 2 which is 14 over 3. Let's have another example. Let's say we have 2 and 5, 7. So first rewrite the denominator. Next is multiply 2 times 7 and then add 5. So we have 2 times 7 plus 5. So we got 2 times 7 is 14 plus 5 which is 19 over 7. Let's have one last example. Let's say we have 9 and 2/5. So first write the denominator and then multiply 9 and 5 then plus 2 which is 47 over 5. And that's our answer. So that's how you can convert a mixed number into improper fraction. Now how can we add two mixed numbers? Let's say we have 4 and 2/3 plus 2 and 5 7. How can we add these two mixed numbers? Well, first write 4 and 2/3 into 4 plus 2/3 and 2 and 5 7 into 2 plus 5 over 7. So we can add 4 and 2 and we were going to get 6. And then we have 2 over 3 plus 5 over 7. Next is to add the two fractions, 2/3 and 5 7. And in order to do that, we have to get the common denominators. To get the common denominators, multiply 3 and 7, which is 21. So 21 divided by 3 is 7, plus 2 is 9. Then 21 divided by 7 is 3, plus 5 is 8. So our answer is 6 plus 17 over 21, which is 6 and 17 over 21. And so that's how we can add two mixed numbers together. That's the end of this lecture. Thank you and please like and subscribe.